our job is to make it as real as possible for that actor, so that that actor can fully inhabit that space and that character. He does some gunfire, bam, bam, call cut. He takes cover, we call cut. I then come clear the gun. Joel says, okay, gun's clear. Crew has the set.
Scene 101, take 4. Clearing.
Gun is hot, actor has the gun, 3 rounds. Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Specs is hot. Action. And door.
Another day in paradise.
Cut. Thank you. Clear. Studio armorers in Hollywood have been doing this job for more than 100 years safely, and we prove it day in and day out. Literally tens of millions of blank rounds are fired every single year, and we help make Hollywood movie magic. We like to go with the real thing for realism for the actors and the home audience alike. We think it's important for every crew member that's intimate to the prop gun process, and that's, of course, the armorer, perhaps the prop master, and you want to include in that the camera operator, who's right next to where the action's happening, the key grip, who's in charge of camera safety, the set medic. There's several people in that process. I feel this training is important so that we can establish an across-the-board bottom line for safety, and that's protocols and the languaging that we use, that we can have a consistent safety process for prop masters and armorers throughout the film and television industry. By learning the proper way to handle guns on a film set, we keep you safe.